Hi friends, today we'll discuss how to be more self-motivated for change and development. How can you be more self-motivated? Self-motivation is the force that drives you to do something. It will direct you to move towards your goals. Put up efforts for development. It appears to be driven more by intrinsic motivation, that is internal, than the extrinsic motivation, that is to get rewards like money, status, authority, something like that. Psychologist Goleman has linked self-motivation with emotional intelligence and has stated four components of motivation: achievement drive, commitment to goals, initiative or readiness to act on opportunities, and optimism, that is ability to look ahead to reach your goal. It's possible to increase self-motivation. When your self-created drive pushes you to do something for personal reasons, it is self-motivation. Psychologist Scott Geller has stated four C's that are very important to affect self-motivation. Consequences associated with actions. Then competence in your ability, it lies in your ability. Choice, a sense of autonomy, and community, the connections with others. 6 vital skills generally form the foundation of self-motivation. Just keep in mind, these are very important. 6 vital skills. First thing is setting smart goals. Second is taking calculated risks. Risk-taking aptitude must be there. Third is asking for feedback to improve. That is, be interested to know how to improve. Always be interested to know. Be committed to fulfill goals. Commitment is very important. Commitment drive. Be ready to go extra mile to achieve your objectives because you are committed. Searching opportunities to develop. Always be on the side for searching. Be ready to change to deal with setbacks and be resilient to go ahead to pursue your goals. The 6 vital skills: setting smart goals, taking calculated risks, asking for feedback, be committed to fulfill goals, searching opportunities to develop, and be ready to change. Then you can take 6 things that can help you to maintain self-motivation. What are those 6 things? Continuous learning, spending time with supportive, positive-minded people. Cultivate positive mindset that helps to foster optimism and resilience. Know your strengths and weaknesses and work on them to strengthen your strengths and win over your weaknesses. Better utilization of time, avoiding procrastination. And last one is, but not the least, asking for help when you need and helping others to achieve their goals. Change is hard to achieve, but it is possible. Build your confidence and take the plunge. Go beyond boundaries. Try to do something more than what your parents and teachers want. Do not be limited to fulfill your home tasks. Rather than be self-interested to learn something more and more at your own initiative by focusing on the problem, remaining engaged, determining what is important, and planning how to go ahead well with increasing self-confidence. Thank you. Wish you good luck.